My lead gen secret review. In this video, I'm gonna give you my honest review about my lead gen secret. Can you make money here with these kind of leads? These leads, they are converting into sales or not? Okay, but first of all, if you want to get my number one recommendation to make money online from your home, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. I will send it to you into your email inbox. Let's talk about my lead gen secret. So this is the company that allow that they are giving you leads every day, but I have some problems about this company. Is that these leads, they don't tell us where they get these kind of leads. Maybe they are spamming them. I don't know that. So I wouldn't recommend to buy these kind of leads because we don't know whether they are the tier 1 or tier 2 countries, and also how did they get these kind of leads. So it's not gonna work for you. Okay, it's not gonna work for you, although that people, they are claiming that they get results. But look at this. I think if you can go to this channel on YouTube called ibidlist.com on YouTube and search for that guy. That guy is using my lead gen secret to promote the ClickBank products. Okay, to promote the ClickBank products. And what I learned from that guy is that you need a lot of leads in order to make sales. So that guy has, I think, around 10 accounts on my lead gen secret, and those he waited 5 years. 5 years. He waited 5 years in order to build. I think now he has over 10 million leads. 10 million leads. 10 million leads. But he is making per day $18. With 5 million leads, he is earning $18 per day. Look at that. So you look at that and check the quality of the leads, okay? And check the quality of the leads. So I wouldn't recommend for you to buy this kind of leads, guys, because these leads, they are not converting into sales. They're not although they're gonna click on the offer, but they're not gonna buy. They're not gonna buy from you. Okay, so I wouldn't recommend for this. Although they say that you only have to invest $30, and also it's $60 one time, and also $30 every month. So you need a lot of accounts here on my lead gen secret. You will need a lot of accounts in order to see results. So with one account, it's gonna be very, very difficult to get sales. Just be aware of it, guys. Just be aware of it, because I've seen that so many newbies they buy these products, this my lead gen secret, and they expect to make a profit at the end of the day with just one account. At least 10 to 20 accounts. That's the minimum. That's the minimum. That's the minimum that you need in order to see results. Okay, because I've done some reviews on the internet that you need at least 10 to 20 accounts in order to see some results using my lead gen secret. Okay, so just be aware of it, because if you just use maybe 2 or 3 accounts, it's gonna be difficult for you to get the results. Although that they're giving you 300 leads per day, it's gonna be difficult for you to convert these leads into customers. So I won't recommend it for you to promote your offers on these kind of leads. So I think that most newbies, most internet marketers, they are lacking the skills to get high quality leads for themselves. You know, to build an online business, you need to know how to get leads the right way, how to get leads that you know they're gonna buy from you. They're gonna buy from you up to 5 years from now. You know, you must need to do that. You must have that strategy, how to get the right leads, the leads that's gonna buy those high ticket products. Whatever you're selling, they're gonna buy from you. So you are taking these leads from my lead gen secrets. You don't know where they get from. You don't know where maybe they get from Pakistan or those low buying countries. You don't know that. You don't know that. You are just happy that you get leads, but these kind of leads, they're not buying anything from you. You have 100,000 leads, but you don't get a single sale. In order to make sales, you must have millions of leads. Look at that. And also keep in mind that they're gonna charge you every month. Every month they're gonna charge you. They're gonna keep charging you $30 every month. Okay, they don't care if you make a sale or not, or you didn't make it. They're gonna keep on charging you. Okay, they're gonna keep on charging you. They're gonna keep on charging you each and every month. So if you want to learn how to get the right leads into your sales, into your offers, how to build an online business that's gonna make you sales, how to get the right leads, from tier 1 countries, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video, guys. Okay, I will send it to you into your email inbox. That's gonna teach you how to do affiliate marketing the right way without wasting your money on these low quality leads that they don't buy anything from you. Although they are promising that they're gonna give you 300 leads a day, yes, they will give you those 300 leads in a day, but do they buy from you? No. Okay, just be aware of that, guys. Just be aware of that. I don't want you to waste your money on these low, cheap leads, on these cheap quality leads that they promise that you're gonna make money, guys. Okay, but if you want to get my number 1 recommendation to make money online from home with high ticket affiliate marketing that allows me to earn over $1,000 per sale, that allows me to quit my 9-to-5 job, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. I will send it to you into your email inbox. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections. I'm gonna get back to you as soon as possible. Take care and may God bless you. Good luck, sharp guys.